Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today we are going to be playing Speed Run 4 like I usually play. Also, I have a band-aid on my finger. I wish I could show you, but I don't have my webcam on. But I have a band-aid on my pinky finger, so I won't be as good. But let's just start this, shall we? Alright. This level is easy to beat. I'm pretty sure we can beat it. I'll show you I'll show you which side I'm playing on right now, where the arrows are on my key, because that's what I play. That's the only, thing I play on. I think that guy left. I don't know. The guy I just saw. Wait, I don't know if he didn't even go yet. Oh God, you see, my pinky finger bothers me. My pinky finger bothers me. Because it has a band-aid on it because my cat cut it. No! You see, I'm not as good with my pinky finger. Alright. Oh. Ooh. Okay. Whoa! Alright. You see, this is the only level I'm not good at. There. No! Oh my God, I'm on a purple dimension. I think it's called, I think it's a plum color. Alright. Alright. Jump. I'm sorry, this is the only game I ever play when I'm alone. I can't think of any other game to play, so this is usually the only game I ever play when I'm alone. Because my brother always picks good games that we could play, and I don't always pick good games, so bear with me. Okay, I'm going to try and find a different game. Okay, guys, we're back with an Obby. I'm guessing I'm going to be playing this. We have been shrunken. The food is giant. We need to get out of here. I think this was made by... No, this was made by Wolf Gaming. I just jumped right on him. Go on to the parkour and do the parkour. He's cheating. This is how you're supposed to do it. You're supposed to do it the easy way. You're cheating. He's cheating. Yeah, some people do it. Yes. Alright. I'm with this guy here. We're gonna work together. Well, we were gonna work together until I beat him. Alright, we gotta be careful. Oh God. Oh God, I saved myself. I actually saved myself. Oh God, no, I fell in the fire. And now I'm on fire. Do you guys see that? This part is easy. I don't know how we cannot beat it. Oh my God. I died in the fire again. Also, I think that the reason I'm not as good at this is because I feel so bad for that guy. He keeps dying. Alright. I'm on soda cans? I think these are soda cans. The red one's Dr. Pepper, my favorite. No! Oh wait, this one's a Dr. Pepper too, actually. I think this one, I don't even know what this one is. Sprite. Oh God. I think this is Pepsi. Alright, I see a hot dog. Ooh, burgers. Burgers. Ooh, look how shiny they are. Alright, do we have to avoid these? Oh my God, you have to avoid them. That's hard to do though. Or do we need to step onto the things? Nope. have to avoid them. This is how you do it. Yeah, she's leading me the way. Careful, careful, careful. Alright. This is pretty easy. Oh! Alright, this is a new obby. I've never played it before. So it's new. Oh gosh! The fries isn't that hard, but... Alright, I see that guy over there that I talked to in the beginning. Oh my god. I know, I'm sorry that I always play speedrun when I'm by myself. I just can't help it. It's the only game I ever play that's actually good in my recommend. Because I like to play the Heroes game with Brayden, and Brayden only. Because I don't want to do that, but I don't, because that guy is huge! Oh, he's gonna eat us. Jump on the soda bottles. Then use that nasty Savolia to get in the mouth. It's gross. Very gross. No! Oh my god, I pushed me. Oh my god. Oh my god. Whew! It's hard. There's a bunch of soda cans. Like, why in the world? There's a big burger. Oh my god, don't die, don't die, don't die. Oh my god, don't die. Alright, be careful. Alright, we made it. Ew. Oh, there's burgers. Ew. He doesn't chew them. He just immediately swallows them. Oh, here's bone. It's purple in here. That just changed my eye. I think it's purple in here. I don't know. Let me know if you guys see. Because I might be colorblind with another color. I don't know. It's still purple. Alright. Wait. Oh, let's guess the wall. No, I don't want to buy a magic carpet. This one? Yeah. Okay. Nope. I think the last one's in the middle. So, it can't be the same one, so I just saw a body fall. Right to this one. Oh my god! Yes! Alright. Ew. Ew. Ew, don't touch it. Ew! Ew! I died by touching it. Ew! Ew, ah! Nope. I keep dying. Disgusting. Ew! I keep dying! Maybe I'll be able to finish this obby. No! I keep dying. Phew, finally. Alright. Ew, wait, what? Eggs. Why the heck did I just die? Why do I keep dying? Oh my god, I freaking died! Nope. Alright. No! Why do I keep dying? Let's see. Are these balloons? I think these are balloons. Because Why did I think they're eggs? Because they're balloons. Why did I just die? Sorry, sometimes I can get really annoyed. Oh my god. Why do I keep staying jump? Oh my god. I didn't even touch it. Like, what the heck? Yes, finally, I got past that stage. More soda bottles. Alright. Oh! How do you do this one? I think you have to do this and avoid it. Alright. Oh my god. I see more burgers. Oh, those might be the burgers from before. Oh my god. I hope you guys didn't just hear that because my father just cursed. Well, I don't think you can hear the background. I think you can only hear me. Okay. Be careful. I just got a notification on my phone. But I'm not going to read it right now. Ooh, cookies. Oh my god. Cake! Where do you go from here? You go this way. Oh, yep. Donuts. I see the end stage over there. I don't think I'll be able to make it on time, so I might do a part 2. I don't know if I'll make it to the end on time, but... Ooh, more burgers. I think you have to avoid them. That was pretty easy. Alright, climb up the beanstalk. Alright. Why are we in a birdhouse? Dude. Alright. Oh my god. Alright. We climbed up the beanstalk. Wait, what? Be careful. I don't want to fall. Whoa, I see that stage over there. Oh, it was that stage from before. Oh my god, I see the guy now, like the spit we walked to. Bees! I hate bees. But I love them because they make honey. But I hate them because they sting. Although, wait, guess the path. I'm going to do the camera trick.